Welcome back to ChargeGoEV. I have some exciting news. I have officially launched a website. You can find it at letschargesa.com. I have been working hard on this, and I want you to know it was built specifically for people like us, South Africans who are curious about electric cars but cannot find clear, honest, local information. On the website you will find calculators I have built specifically for us South Africans. You have a charging cost calculator. It shows you exactly what you will pay whether you charge with a DC fast charger, an AC charger, or a standard 3-pin plug. We will talk more about those today. You also have an EV savings calculator to see how much you save compared to petrol. There is an EV comparison table showing all the budget electric cars available in South Africa right now. And my personal favorite, an EV readiness quiz. Answer 7 quick questions and it tells you whether an EV suits your lifestyle. I think most people will be surprised by the result. The website is growing. There is more coming. But let us get into today's topic. When you own an electric car, forget liters. We now speak in kilowatt hours. That is the unit of energy we use to charge. Think of it like this: liters fill your petrol tank, kilowatt hours fill your battery. There are 3 ways to charge your electric car. Let me walk you through each one. The first is the 3-pin plug. Every electric car comes with one. You plug it into a normal wall socket, the same socket you use for your kettle. It works, but it is slow. I would use it if you are visiting family, staying at an Airbnb, or in an emergency. Just a tip: if you are visiting someone, please let them know before you plug in. You do not want to be uninvited next time. The second method is a 7 kilowatt wall box. This is my personal favorite. Some dealers throw one in for free, ask yours. A wall box charges your car much faster, typically 5 to 6 hours for a full charge depending on your car. The Dolphin takes 6.6 kilowatts, the Geely takes 7. Check the EV comparison table on my website. It shows the maximum charge speed for every car. Get an electrician to install your wall box properly. Some cars even have an app where you can schedule charging to start at midnight when rates may be lower and stop automatically when full. That is smart charging. The third method is DC fast charging at a public charging station. This is what you use on road trips or in an emergency away from home. Platforms like PlugShare, Grid Cars, Rubicon, and Chargeify show you where every charging station in South Africa is. Download PlugShare, it is free and shows live availability. AC public chargers run at 11 to 22 kilowatts. DC fast chargers can go from 50 kilowatts all the way to 150 kilowatts depending on your car. The Geely handles up to 70 kilowatts DC. The BYD Surf handles 40 kilowatts. Again, check the comparison table on the website. My advice: charge at home every night. Use public charging for long trips and emergencies. That is how you save money and never stress about range. The website is letschargesa.com. Go check it out. Tell me what you think. I am not a programmer. I am someone on the same journey as you, just a few steps ahead, sharing what I find. If there is something you want me to cover, leave it in the comments. I see every comment. Next time we'll talk about if you need solar and how will charging at home affect your electricity bill. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's build this channel together. If you have subscribed already, I appreciate you. See you on the next one. Let us charge, South Africa.